morning, Standard 4 children. So today I am going to teach you a new chapter. The chapter name is Water Resources. Okay. First come to hard words. Uniform. 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 Next monsoon. MONSOON. Next irrigation. IRRIGATION. Next reservoir. RESERVOIRS. Conserve. CONSERVE. Canal. CANAL. Drilling. DRILLING. Tubewell. TUBEWELL. Artificial. ARTIFICAL. Breeding. BREEDING. Electricity. ELECTRICITY. Okay. Now all of you take out your SST book, page number 59, chapter 10, Water Resources. Water is very important for all living things. Nothing can live without it. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, and for growing crops. We know that 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans. But this water is salty and not fit for drinking or cooking. Fresh water exists in ocean, lakes, rivers, streams and ponds. Our main source of fresh water is rain. We depend on the monsoon rain for our crops, but rainfall is not uniform throughout India. Some places get a lot of rainfall while other places have very little rain. Moreover, the rain from the monsoon fall only between June to September. Next, irrigation. Three means of irrigation used in India are canals, wells and tanks. First, we'll learn about canals. So what are canals? Channels are dug from dam to the fields. These channels are called canals. The canals can take river water to very distant places. India has a very good network of canals. You have already read about the Indira Gandhi Canal that provide water to a large part of Rajasthan. Some of the main canals of our country are Sirhind Canal, Agra Canal, Buckingham Canal, Indira Gandhi Canal. Okay, next, wells. When it rains, some of the water sifts through sand and the soil and reaches below the ground. We can take out this underground water through wells. In villages, well water is used for domestic need and agriculture. Water which is not very deep is drawn up with the help of a rahat or a Persian wheel. Next, tanks. In the southern plateau, it is difficult to dig because the land is rocky. It is hard. That's why it is difficult. People collect rainwater in tanks or ponds. Tanks are commonly used in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Next, come to dams. Dams are walls built across a river to hold back the flow of water. These walls have a special gates called sluice gates, which can be opened and closed to control the flow of water. Water is stored in a reservoir or artificial lake behind the dam. Canals are dug to take this stored water to the fields. Okay? In a dam, water is made to fall from a height to generate electricity. It is also known as hydroelectricity because water is used to produce it. Dams also control flows and help in fish breeding. Okay, multi-purpose project. When dams serve more than one purpose, they call multi-purpose project. In India, some multi-purpose projects are Bhakra Nangal Dam, Damodar Valley Project, Farakka Barrage, Sardar Sarovar Dam, Hirakud Dam, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, conserve water. Okay. Next, in table showing dam and the rivers on which they are built. Meritor Kaveri, built in the Kaveri river. Next, Hirakud Mahanadi, Bhakra Satluj, Nagarjuna Krishna. Okay. Next, come to your exercise. Take the right answer. The Hirakud Dam is built on the river of Mahanadi. Next, tank irrigation is more popular in South India. Next, the Merutal Dam is built on the river of Kaveri. Okay children, write these hard words 2 times in your copy and do this exercise. Take the right answer. That's all for today. Have a nice day and stay safe.